Oily skin girls never want to use a moisturizer mainly in summer because we oily skin girls feels very heavy and sweating and oily. It secretes oily fastly, so we doesn't want to look dull and sweaty face. This is the reason we don't want to use a moisturizer. But in this video I gonna tell about two moisturizer available in Indian market which is oily free and it doesn't feel heavy. Let's see how it worked on my skin. Okay, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is gonna be a review of two moisturizer which is most favorite of mine. These two moisturizer, one is Neutrogena and another one is Re-Equal oil-free moisturizer. Before I gonna start, I wanna tell one thing. This is not a sponsored video or anything. This is my personal experience and personal review which I thought about these two moisturizer. Okay, I know those who are in my skin type or my skin tone, mostly in my skin type, it's a very oily skin type. Those girls never want to apply a moisturizer, mostly in summer. First, I'm going to talk about these two moisturizer. I think you can able to see this moisturizer. One is from the brand Re-Equal, another one is from the Neutrogena. Okay, let's start with the common features of these two moisturizer. First point is mainly this is oil free, and second is this both is for oily combination to oily extreme oily skin. These skin types can give a try once. Features of this, both are lightweight and fast absorbing. I can felt in this moisturizer both are fast absorbing, and this is a weightless also. Yeah, one point I want to tell that most of the girls never want to use this. I already cover this point, but actually for our oily skin we think already our face is creating oil, but why we need a moisturizer? Not like that. That oil is another, and you are giving a moisture to your skin is another thing. So we all need a moisturizer to our skin, so we definitely need some good moisturizer to apply on your skin. So these two are my recent fave. Recent favorite means not a recent fave. When I have used lots of moisturizer from a childhood like Pond's, Charms, and Pond's Skull Cream, but I don't like that type of creams because it creates a extreme oily and my face looks very dull, so I don't never like that moisturizer. But recently I have used this moisturizer from November to means January 2021, and I used this from January end to March. Both moisturizers are my favorite now. Okay, let's go to the next features. In both the moisturizer, they mention a non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic. What is non-comedogenic? These products never clog your pores. That was a very good thing. These both products never clog your pores. If the product clogs your pores, means you can get acne or pimples like that. These products never go for that types of hazards on your skin. Okay, next point is both the moisturizers are dermatological tested. Both are lightweight. It doesn't feel I'm applying something heavy or I'm applying moisturizer. It doesn't feel. Both are lightweight and it absorbs very quickly. In the morning when I go to office, I apply this moisturizer only. This or this moisturizer and sunscreen. That's all. I didn't use any other foundation or concealer, anything. I didn't use anything regularly. I use only this moisturizers. Both are non-greasy formulation. Next, they doesn't feel as sticky, chip and these are the common features of these two moisturizer. Now first I'm going to talk about this Re-Equal moisturizer. This Re-Equal moisturizer comes in a tube packaging. It's like a cream. I think you can see it. This is like a cream based moisturizer. It absorbs quickly. You can take a small amount of moisturizer. Okay, you can see it feels very lightweight. It doesn't give a shiny look, and it absorbs well. This moisturizer. Here are the ingredients they mention here, but it has a fragrance, very little amount of fragrance. This is not a fragrance free. This doesn't have any harm chemicals. It gives a smooth finish. This is a super base for a makeup also. And let's talk about price of this Re-Equal moisturizer. It is a 100-gram moisturizer. It comes for 350 rupees. If you are using twice in a day, you can easily use for 2 to 2.5 months. Let's go for our next moisturizer. This one is oil free. This one is also the same oil free moisturizer, and this is from a Neutrogena brand. It comes in a pump bottle. This is very cute packaging, and it is very convenient also. I have finished this moisturizer, so this one is not coming outside. Okay, I have got some cream now. I'm going to apply on my right hand. This is a runny formula, and it is more smoother than Re-Equal moisturizer. Very smoother, very soft, and this is also a perfect base for makeup. I love Neutrogena moisturizer for a makeup base because I feel very smooth and very soft. I have taken a very small pump. It gives a very smooth finish. It's very smooth. I personally love this. I personally love both the moisturizers, but most favorite is this only. This moisturizer is a fragrance free. There is no any fragrance in this moisturizer. It's allergy tested, and they mention alcohol free also. And these are the ingredients here. This is also the ingredients which is not having any harmful chemical in it. In this moisturizer they used one substance called humectants. Humectant is a substance which is mostly used in foods and cosmetic product. This product, it holds the moisture on your skin a long day. Let's talk about the price. This one is a 118 ml, comes for 429. Little pricey from this Re-Equal moisturizer. It contains 100 grams for 350, and this one is 118 ml for 429. But you can get in a offer in Nykaa and Amazon. There are festival offers are always going there. You can check it out from there and you can buy. I have used it thrice in a day, and also I have used it for a long time, like 2.5 or 3 months, nearby 3 months. This is a runny formulation, and this one is a cream based. I love both. I give a 4.5 star to this moisturizer, and this 4.8. This one is a winner of the show because this one is not having any fragrance, and also personally I love this moisturizer very much. This is also very super moisturizer. I didn't complain this moisturizer is not a good. This one is awesome, but personally, my personal experience, this one is a very runny formulation and it absorbs very well. It gives a very smooth skin. So I personally love this moisturizer. So you can also try these two moisturizers if you are an oily skin girl or boy or girl, anyone can use the moisturizer. If you are not a makeup lover, you can definitely try this moisturizer. Within a 1 month, within a 1 week, you can get a good result from these two moisturizers. Okay, I think I have covered all points which I have felt in this moisturizer. If you are in an extreme oily skin type or oily skin or combination skin, in summer you can definitely give a try. In case if you want any other moisturizer to review, please mention in the comment section. I will first I will try and let you know how it works on my skin. In future you wanna review any moisturizer or any creams or any foundation, lipsticks, you can definitely mention in my comment section. This is my Instagram ID. You can DM on my Instagram ID. I always reply on that. If you have any doubt on your skin or skin product, on a dusky skin and oily skin, you can definitely ask me on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's meet you on another review video or makeup video. Bye bye.